Hey guys, if you've never heard of Splash Wines, I'm going to do an unboxing today. Family owned since 2014, they've been crushing the wine game because they bring you extreme value through their partnerships. They source the best wines from different places. Some of the most famous wines to wines you've never heard of are all on their website, and you're able to purchase these large cases there, shipped to your doorstep, or you can even pick up at a local FedEx drop-off. Well, so they give you the best possible deal that you're going to be able to find. I'm going to do an unboxing of this here to show you an example of what it comes like. And then that way you can also learn more about their wines that they offer, how it comes, and I'll tell you a little bit more about the referral program as well. Let's do an unboxing. So when you open up your wine box, you're going to get a piece of paper just like this from Splash. I folded here to hide my address, but showing you exactly what it's going to look like. And it shares all the different wines that you're going to get. So I've chosen a red box. You can do a variety blend. As far as whites and reds, you could just do reds and you could just do white. I decided to go all reds because I love the red wines from Splash Wines, and I tend to drink red most of the time. So here you can see the quantity of bottles, because some you're getting one, others you're getting two. Oftentimes those ones, if you go look them up, they could be higher prices, or it could just be about the volume that they currently have on hand. And I see a lot from Spain, Chile, Italy, and more, Australia, some nice red blends all in here. Let's do some unboxings and see what else is inside. So you also get this. It comes in every box. It actually deals with some of their preferred partners and coupons. So different boxes that are out there. This one's Chomp, a good Chomp food box. Let's see, they got here Stitch Fix, 25% off, tomato plants, things like that. We got a HelloFresh coupon and a DoorDash coupon. Well, so all those different things to save you money on your next order, and those are all incentives through Splash, their partnerships and affiliates. So guys, I went for the 18 count here, which is, you're gonna see as I open this up, super heavy box. And let's start pulling some of these out. So what I love about this is that you're getting a good blend of Cabernet, Syrah, Tempranillo, much more. The red blends are fantastic. Mixed into this bundle that's at a insane price. So you go to their website and you're gonna see a price, but this is how you actually do it well with Splash Wine. You sign up for the referral program. If you've never ordered from Splash Wine, hit the code below here in the description. That will save you $25 in the referrals program that they have, and you get free credits. So I actually ordered all of this. I used my credits that they give you, the Splash point on the order, but then they also allow you to give that to somebody every time. So if they order and they're a new customer, they get $25 off on their first purchase, and then you also get $25 for them using that promo code. Now the terms can change and the pricing that you can get can change with whatever promotions they have, so make sure to check that. But as of this video, that's how it works, and that's an amazing way to pay for your wine, be able to try a lot of different wines. So actually I ordered this, the next day I had another order for $25. So you think in a few orders, because you're getting a lot of these bundles from anywhere from $89 to $200, it really depends on what you're getting in there. But you can get a really good selection of wine, a case of wine for your next event or occasion at these prices that in store, maybe a couple of these bottles would cost what you're paying on Splash Wine. So definitely worth checking out and joining that referrals program. Even if you just join, hit the code below, order your first thing of wine, join the referrals program. They have a lot of different ways you can get points right off the bat, even without someone purchasing a birthday and different things like that. Great offering from Splash Wines, and I'll open one up and let's do a cheers. Also, a great hack if you're looking to be able to try lots of wines without opening a bottle and having it last months, if not years, check out Coravin. I'll add a link below. You pop this in there without opening the bottle. You simply remove, and now you can use this 2021 bottle of wine in a few weeks, not a couple days or having it go bad. You know, the other day I forgot to use my Coravin. I had a bottle of wine sitting out that I really liked, and I was like, oh, I'm gonna drink that tomorrow. Just didn't get around to drinking it, and it went bad. With my Coravin, I don't have to worry about that. There's a gas canister you put into here, small needle goes in, and you have a perfect glass of wine every time without opening the full bottle, or if you want to try more. So this mashup between Splash and then getting your Coravin is the perfect way to have an at-home wine bar at the ready. So thanks for tuning in, guys. Don't forget to use that code below for your referral. I get a referral credit as well, so it's a win-win. But then also, if you sign up and get other people to use your code, you could be getting free wine at your doorstep like I've gotten here.